Hey, my name is Quinn. I'm one of the customer success managers here at Billdr Pro. And today we're going to take a quick look at the schedule. Here in the Gantt chart view, we are able to assign team members to the different activities that we have. We're also able to create relationships between the different activities. So let's say our site survey and measurements take a little longer than anticipated. Everything that depends on the completion of that activity is going to be pushed out as well. We also have a list view. And here, it's the same information, just portrayed in a slightly different way. You're able to mark off your completion, and you do have the option to share this directly with your client through the client dashboard. Any changes that you make in your schedule will be automatically reflected there so that everyone is always up to date.